Liam, not too far in front, please.
Liam is constantly on the go, and he never stays with anything for long.
Come here now, come here.
Kids with ADHD has another big problem. They simply don't understand themselves, and they don't understand their surroundings. It's also a tragedy for the family. Especially parents express how they lost hope for the future. But also ADHD kids have potential. Finding that potential gives hope for the future.
In the beginning I was very skeptical. He was already playing too much computer, too much World of Warcraft. He was never outside and he was getting less social and showed some stress symptoms. So the thought of him playing even more on the computer didn't appeal to me at all. But when I heard about the positive effect it had had on children with ADHD, I was willing to give it a try.
The Delphi program combines a variety of components. Essential is that you'll play your way into self-discovery, finding out what you're good at and building on that knowledge to improve your skills and your self-reliance. It's all about playing and playing your best, but in this program there's an add-on to World of Warcraft. The program builds on the knowledge and insights of different intelligences, learning styles, and the special abilities of ADHD children. Through the add-on within World of Warcraft, they will play themselves into a self-discovery on where their special talents might lie. A special feature is training the empathy of the children. Through different tasks, they will be able to help themselves and help others understand them and understand their reactions and feelings. Reading facial expressions is an important part of empathy. This is trained while the kid is playing an agent. But the child is not on his own. He is forced to cooperate with others and encouraged to do so in order to solve the different tasks. In addition, they are rewarded when working together, and to raise to certain levels they have to combine their talents to solve the tasks. The back end of the system monitors the interest and the talents of the child, and a report is produced.
Nu skal du bare se her. Det går godt, jeg tror. Og se her. Det der. Det er det, du er rigtig god til.
Well, I have some good news. Look at this. This is the skill map report we just got.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Yeah.
That's impressive. I remember his social skills were around this level 2 weeks ago when we saw it. And you know, I feel it. I think with his friends and with us as well, doing much better.
Sure.
So it's really good to see.
Yeah, nice. And we must say, hope is back.
Definitely.
Yeah.